Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to reset your Porsche Cayenne oil change light. After completing an oil change, the service reminder often remains illuminated. For most modern Porsche Cayenne models, you will need a specialized diagnostic scan tool to clear this message. Older models might have a manual method, but a scan tool is the most reliable approach for many vehicles. This essential tool plugs directly into your car's OBD2 port. Now, let's get started with connecting your scan tool. First, locate your Porsche Cayenne's OBD2 port. It is typically situated beneath the driver's side dashboard, often near the steering column. Once you've found it, firmly plug your diagnostic scan tool into the port. After the tool is connected, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Just activate the electrical system. With your scan tool powered on and connected, it's time to navigate its menu. Look for an option labeled Service Functions, Maintenance, or Oil Reset. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your specific tool. If the tool asks you to select a vehicle manufacturer, choose Porsche. Then, either confirm your Cayenne model from a list or allow the tool to automatically detect your vehicle's information for accurate communication. You're almost done. Within the service menu, select the option to reset maintenance interval or oil service reset. The tool might ask you to confirm the procedure or even input the current date. Follow all on-screen instructions carefully. Once the tool indicates the reset is complete, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Then, turn it back to the on position to verify that the oil change service light has been successfully cleared from your dashboard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.